Here we are at the Redeposit form. In this case we're working on a FERS. If it were CSRS, it would be indicated here at the top of the page. First you'll be asked if there are any contributions that need to be redeposited. If yes, you'll enter the dates the refund was received, the dollar amount that was refunded to you, the date of that refund, and if you have the date that that deposit will be repaid, you can manually enter that date, or you can click Calculate Redeposit and it will be estimated for you. If you scroll down, you'll see an estimate of the interest owed and the total deposit owed if you are going to pay the redeposit, and what the penalty is if you are not going to pay the redeposit. After your data entry, you'll click Next. Not only will your data be saved, but you'll be taken to the next applicable form. If there is no redeposit, you'll select No and you'll be directed to the next applicable form.